Welcome back to Paracosm. I don't really know what we're going to do today, but I guess we'll figure it out. I think soon we're about to leave the hostel and go get some lunch. So I got the spicy Thai spaghetti with fish, squid, and prawns. Also came with a fried egg for a total of 60 baht, which is under $2 US. And iced coffee. Just went up to Monkey Hill with the friends and showed them the monkeys, and now I got an Oreo ice cream cone from 7-Eleven. It's about to be delicious. Oh my god, so good.
Taking a nap after a long day. Sleep tight. This was her.
Getting my hair braided by Christy right now.
That looks good. Yeah, that's it.
Well, it's raining out, so I guess we're gonna eat bugs that we bought yesterday. I think this one's like a, I don't know, it looks like the mix between a grasshopper and some sort of like wasp or bee or cricket maybe. I don't know. It honestly doesn't taste that bad. But I can feel it's like little spiky things on its legs. That's kind of awkward. Second, we have a large grasshopper here. They honestly all taste really similar, but I think it's the seasoning the dude put on them, who gave the bugs to us. Number 3, we have some sort of little grub here. I don't know what it is. That one's a little different than the grasshoppers and crickets. The texture is interesting.
His mouth,
This one is like another little grub. Once again, I'm not sure exactly what it is.
Tie two together.
But it's some sort of little grub.
Oh, this one's missing its bone.
Not too bad. Cheers and
cheers.
Cheers to the bugs.
Woo! Exciting. Tastes quite good. Barbecue and it's spicy.
Not too bad, eh? It's been a nice chill day here at the hostel. Just caught up on rest and some work. It was raining, so we didn't really do much. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to Paracosm, and I'll see you in the future. Peace!